Bitcoin is not going to make you rich. I'm sorry to tell you, but it's true. Now, Bitcoin's a great escape from fiat. If you're looking to exit fiat permanently, get into Bitcoin, long-term wealth preservation tool, rock and roll, man. Cool. But if you got 0.1 Bitcoin, which is a lot, that's $4,000, which is a lot of money for a lot of people. Okay, let's keep that real. If you can afford one whole Bitcoin at today's prices, I got news for you. You're already rich. Congratulations. You have $40,000 in free cash that you can just go invest in one Bitcoin, which I'm assuming is not 100% of your portfolio. So you probably have a portfolio worth $1 million or more. Congratulations, you're winning. A lot of people coming out getting 0.1 Bitcoin. That's a pretty mighty goal, even for the vast majority of you listening at this point. Okay. And if you're using it as a wealth preservation tool, as an exit from fiat, that's fantastic. If you're looking to speculate in crypto and try to get rich, it's not going to be Bitcoin. That 0.1 BTC you buy today, if looking at even some of the most bullish price predictions for the cycle, okay, well, maybe that goes up to being worth $25,000, for example, or $20,000. Not bad. You've definitely made money, and that's nothing to be shy about. That's great. Now, what if we get a 20x? We go up to $1 million Bitcoin. Now, it's a little more than 20x, but $1 million Bitcoin. Okay, fantastic. Well, you've done pretty well. You've done pretty well. That $4,000 investment's now worth about $85,000, something like that, give or take a few thousand. Okay. Not bad. I mean, damn, if you had a $4,000 portfolio, that's all you had. $4,000 invested in Bitcoin. You've turned that into 80K by 2030, which is what ARK Invest is saying we could get to. We could have $1 million Bitcoin by 2030. Their base case is 600K. Let's meet in the middle of their $1.4 million prediction. Say it's $1 million by 2030. Okay, great. That's good money, man. That's great money. That's fantastic. Fantastic returns. And look, I think a lot of people will be happy with that. Let's just keep it real. But it's not really rich, is it? 80K, it's going to help you with some of your problems. Maybe going to buy you a new car. Maybe it's going to help you put your kids through school. It's probably not going to solve all your problems. Hell, it's not even going to pay for a whole college tuition, is it? Depending on what school you send your kids to. Try and send them to a top school. It's going to be more than 80K for a 3-4 year degree, isn't it? Unfortunately, it's not going to make you rich. It can help you preserve your wealth. It is a nice investment. I hold Bitcoin, obviously. But if you want to really get the big gains, sorry to say it, but you got to go and risk life and limb in the altcoin jungle, because that's where you're going to get the 20, 50, or 100x returns. Possibly. The odds are stacked against you. VCs are here. The whales are here. The influencers, the angel investors, the exchanges, the teams themselves. Everyone's looking to sell and make money. Okay. As an average investor, you're generally at the end of the feeding line in the buffet. It's just the way it is. There are ways you can try to get early. I just made a great video on that. Go watch it. But that's where the real money is going to be made. You're not going to 100x your money on Bitcoin. Maybe in a few decades, you'll get 100x on Bitcoin. But if you want to, enjoy your life from crypto gains before you're in your 60s, 70s, or 80s, you're going to need altcoins.